President Aquino assures that while the country remains free of the Ebola virus, the government is prepared and has sufficient funds to deal with the deadly disease. The president made a statement a few days before Filipino members of the UN peacekeeping force in Ebola-hit Liberia are due to return home. According to the president, the peacekeepers will be quarantined for 21 days with health workers wearing protective gears, keeping a close watch. This report.
President Aquino assured sufficient government funds and experts from the Department of Health to prevent the outbreak of Ebola virus in the country.
At this time, I need to understand that the funds are sufficient. And in case they're not, I think I can draw on the contingency fund, and at the end of the day, siguro even the President's Social Fund to fund it if necessary. But let us all hope and pray that it will not be necessary.
Sir, the absence of Secretary on maapektuhan po ba yung kampanya ng DOH to fight the Ebola virus?
No? The experts are still present. Yeah. To a large degree, except for Secretary Ona, all the rest of the team are present. So these are the experts, no, that our country has, that have been trained, etc., etc. And they're the ones who are actually operationalizing all the concepts, all of the necessary activities, etc.
In his press conference at Villamar Air Base, the president clarified that the Philippines is still free from the deadly virus. The government should protect the 10 million Filipino workers abroad from the disease. The countries affected by Ebola are Guinea, Nigeria, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Senegal, Mali, and Spain.
Mayroon na rin pong naitalang mga kaso nito sa ilang mga bansa. At bilang bahagi ng pandaigdigang komunidad, anuman ang mangyari sa ibang bahagi ng mundo, maaaring maapektuhan din tayo. Tandaan po natin, meron tayong tinatayang 10 milyong kababayang naghahanap buhay at naninirahan sa iba't ibang mga bansa. Obligasyon po ng Estadong pangalagaan ng ating mga kababayan, nasa man silang panig ng daigdig. Kaya nga po, bilang ambag ng ating bansa, magkakaloob tayo ng halagang di bababa sa $1 milyong sa United Nations sa pagsisikap na maagapan ang pagkalat ng Ebola virus disease.
2 types of protective gear to be used for possible infected persons were presented during the briefing. The government has allotted 26 million pesos for DOH safety suits for 3 months. 20 public and 22 private hospitals have already established the respective isolation rooms for the patients. The preparations are also part of the arrival of Filipino peacekeepers from Liberia next week. President Aquino said these soldiers will be quarantined to 2 islands for 21 days until proven safe to join with the respective families.
Ang pagbabalik natin sa ating tropa mula sa Liberia ay bahagi lamang ng tukulin ng Estadong pangalagaan ang kapakanan ng mga nagmamalasakit sa bayan. Humihingi tayo ng pangunawa sa ating mga peacekeepers lalo na sa kanilang pamilya. Sa loob ng 21 araw, namagita kanina po, hindi muna sila makakauwi sa sariling tahanan. Pagbabakasunin muna natin sila sa isang isla kung saan maaari sila mag-relax at magpahinga. Bahagi ito na itinakdang proseso ng inyong gobyerno upang siguruhin hindi lalaganap ang Ebola virus sa bansa or makakapasok ang Ebola virus sa bansa. Linawin ko lang po, hindi ibig sabihin na dahil nanggaling sila sa lugar na laganap ang Ebola, taglay na rin nila ang virus. Kailangan lang po muna nating tiyaking ligtas na silang makihalubilo sa iba. Quarantine po ang tawag dito.
Aside from the peacekeepers, the government is ready to quarantine Filipinos who volunteers to go home from Liberia due to Ebola virus. The president assured that the government will implement stricter measures even for tourists who possibly visited Ebola-stricken countries.
Natin, hindi lang po yung mga camera, hindi lang po yung personnel, no, pero pati na rin yung mga dokumento papakita sa atin tulad ng mga pasaporte. Titingnan at sisiya sa atin kung gumawi kayo doon sa 3 bansa na banggit or na tumira kayo doon para nga masigurado na yung lahat na may tsansa, maski maliit, na baka na-expose, hindi maging potensyal na magdudulot ng problema sa ating bansa. At hindi pa tapos yung mga pag-aayos natin ng proseso. No? Pahigpitin pa natin ang pahigpitin yan para masigurado nga na hindi tayo magkakaroon itong mga sakit na pag hindi naagapan kaagad, no, ay talagang malaki ang konsekwensya.
Meanwhile, the president encouraged the public to follow government information on how to prevent the spread of Ebola virus. For the People's Television, Rock Ignacio.